Students, phylum Annelida. Annelida, the phylum. Annelida, the term coined by Lamarck. Phylum name Annelida, the term coined by scientist Lamarck. Student, because of presentation of the annuli or the rounded segment-like structures in the body of these animals. Okay, annuli. By the presentation of the annuli, animal phylum name. Phylum name is Annelida, coined by Lamarck. These are aquatic animals, lives in fresh water, also lives in marine water. Terrestrial, some animals lives on the land, surface of land. Instead, these are free living organisms, and some are parasites on the other animals. Students, organ system level organization is present. Organ system level organization. Tissues modified into different organs. Organs, presentation of the organs also form the organ systems. Excretory system, nervous system, and circulatory system, digestive system, like that, reproductive system, organ system level of organization present in the body. Bilateral symmetry, student. These are the animals who shows bilateral symmetry. Like animals present in phylum Platyhelminthes, phylum Nematoda. These are the two types of the animals. Also shows bilateral symmetry. Triploblastic animals, entire the body is developed from the three embryonic layers that are ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. Triploblastic animals. Body developed from three layers. Metamerism, student. Metamerism. What about the metamerism? Body of these animals shows metameric segments. Okay, body and also the coelom divided into many chambers by the transverse septa. Okay, these are called segments. Segments present in the body of animals. Externally, internally, body is divided into segments. That is called metamerism. Sagocoelom, students. Sagocoelom present in these animals. What about the sagocoelom? Body cavity or the coelom present in these animals obtained by splitting of the mesoderm layer. Okay, that is called sagocoelom. Sagocoelom present in these animals, hence these are sagocoelomates. Student, another body wall contain longitudinal muscles and circular muscles. Two types of the muscles present in these animals. Body wall shows longitudinal muscles and also circular muscles. Circular muscles, longitudinal muscles. Both type of the muscles present in body wall, and these are the muscles are helps in locomotion, movement of the body from one place to another place. Instead, coelomic fluid act as hydrostatic skeleton. Student, in these animals, entire the coelom or the body cavity totally filled with the fluid. That is, the fluid is called coelomic fluid. Since the coelomic fluid is acting as a hydrostatic skeleton, this is the coelomic fluid is giving strength and stiffness to the body and also helps in locomotion of the animal. So it is it is called hydrostatic skeleton of these animals. Still, parapodia, student. Parapodia present in some animals. These are lateral appendages. Lateral appendages present at the lateral side of the body. And appendages means these are leg-like structures. Appendages. Lateral appendages, parapodia are the lateral appendages, helps in swimming. of the animals which are lives in the water, helps in swimming, and examples parapodia present in Nereis. Nereis is the marine animal. Which are the locomotory structures of the Nereis? That are parapodia. Parapodia are the lateral appendages, helps in locomotion or the swimming, and some animals also shows setae. These are formed by chitin, chitinous setae, and also shows suckers. Some animals shows suckers. Setae, chitinous setae present in earthworm. Okay, suckers present in leeches. These are locomotory structures in these animals. Next student, under cephalization is present with a distinct head, anterior part of these animals, anterior part of the body in some animals developed into the head with the brain and the sense organs. That is called cephalization. Sensory structures, nervous system, nerve cells concentrated at the anterior part of the body develops into the head-like structure. That is called cephalization. Cephalization is also present, and it is with the head and the sense organs. Example, polychaetes. In polychaetes, so polychaetes are the group of some animals in phylum Annelida. Student, polychaetes shows cephalization with the head, sense organs. Next, respiration student. Respiration is by simple diffusion by the body wall. Diffusion, simple diffusion. Exchange of the oxygen and carbon dioxide by the simple diffusion through the body wall. In Nereis, exchange of the gases is possible by parapodia. Parapodia are the lateral appendages, helps in locomotion and also helps in respiration. These are parapodia is highly vascularized and helps in exchange of the gases. In Nereis, parapodia helps in locomotion and respiration. Next, closed circulatory system is present. Student, in these animals, body of these animals, circulatory fluid or the blood is passes through the blood vessels. Okay, so closed type circulatory system is present in annelids. Respiratory pigments. These are the pigments combines with the respiratory gases and helps in transport from one place to another place. Respiratory pigments are hemoglobin, chlorochlorine. These are the two types of the respiratory pigments dissolved in plasma of the blood. Okay, student, it is important. Respiratory pigment, hemoglobin, chlorochlorine dissolved in plasma. Okay. Next, metanephridia student. Metanephridia are the excretory structures of these animals. Metanephridia, these are also called glands, excretory glands. Metanephridia by the help of the funnel shaped structure that is called nephrostome opens into the coelomic fluid present in the body cavity and receives nitrogen wastages and any amount of the wastages removals present in the coelomic fluid and receives and send to the outside, okay, from the body. Removal of the wastages from the body. Metanephridia are the excretory structures, helps in osmoregulation and excretion. Next, student, nervous system is with paired ganglia. Student, cerebral ganglia, one pair cerebral ganglia present at the upper part of the pharynx. One pair cerebral ganglia. Students, paired ganglia. Nervous system is with paired ganglia. Cerebral ganglia, one pair cerebral ganglia present at the upper part of the dorsal part of the pharynx, and one pair subpharyngeal ganglia locates below the pharynx, that is called subpharyngeal ganglia. Both of the ganglia connected with the circum or lateral nerves, one pair lateral nerves, and that forms the circumpharyngeal nerve ring. Student, nervous system is with paired ganglia, cerebral ganglia, subpharyngeal ganglia. Both are connected, cerebral, subpharyngeal ganglia, connected by lateral nerves that surrounds the pharynx. One pair lateral nerves that surrounds the pharynx, which connects the cerebral subpharyngeal ganglia. Okay, students, and forms nerve ring around the pharynx. It is important. Nerve ring around the pharynx. Student, also with the nervous system is also with the double ventral nerve cord. Okay. Next, sense organs are eyes, palps. Palps are the elongated segmented structures near the mouth. Helps in taste of the food particles and also helps in sense of touch. Palps are elongated structure near the mouth. Functioning is sense of the touch and the taste. Next, tentacles, student. Tentacles are sensory organs. Sense organs are eyes, palps, tentacles. Next, student, these are the animals are two types. Some animals are sexually separate. Which are the sexually separate? Also called dioecious. Example, nereis. In nereis, males, females are available. These are sexually separate. And some animals are monoecious, sexually not separate. Okay, monoecious, also called hermaphrodite. For example, earthworms, leeches. These animals are sexually not separated. Males, females are not available. These are called monoecious hermaphrodites. Next, sexual reproduction takes place in these annelids. Development is direct in monoecious. In monoecious, which animals hermaphrodite or sexually not separate? In these animals, development is direct. Larva stage is absent. And which animals sexually separate? In these animals, indirect development is present. Indirect development in dioecious animals. Student, larva stage is a trophophore. Larva stage is trophophore. Trophophore is the larva of these animals. Trophophore. Larva is trophophore. In student, examples: nereis, Ferritima, earthworm, Megascolex, and Hirudinaria. Okay, these are the examples.